Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another tutorial on how I'll be showing you how you can generate background and images using this AI website, which I'm going to show you, and it's free. So what you are going to do is go over to Gemini.com and then you sign up. It's free, and then let's test out this powerful AI tool. Okay, it's useful for designers like you and I. So I use this to generate some of my background, some of my images, and it has been helpful. And then my clients, the backgrounds and the. So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how you are going to use these Gemini websites to help you as a designer, and then you will at least reduce the stress of going up and down looking for backgrounds and all of the stuff. So what you're going to do is to go over to this place here where you can enter the prompt in the sense that you are going to type out what you really want. So maybe, for example, I want something like let me say create a background of the satellite. Okay, let's say create a background of the United States, for example. Let's give it this. Let's see. So you can actually use your voice to tell the AI what you actually want, and then you can, if you want to look for a similar image, you can go over here, this where you are seeing upload image. You can upload an image for this to give you the exact image which you are looking for. So let's check out what he gave us. I'm not saying he should present a brief. Okay, let's just type another this thing. Let's say image of a hand giving a key. So let's check out this. So image of a hand giving a key. So it's now generating the image. So it can generate text. This website can generate image also. Whichever one you want to use, this AI tool is very helpful. Now look at this. Boom, you see, you can see various images which the AI have generated. So if you are not satisfied with this, you can go over to click on generate more, and then it will do more for you. Okay, so you can get more images, text, any brief that you want, you can get here. So for example, I type in here create a background of the United States. Okay, actually what this AI was reading, like it was reading how the United States came about. So that is why he wrote a brief overview of the United States for us. So if you want a cool text and then a brief in your design or anything, you can use this website, guys, and then you can use this to generate images. Also, you can see it has generated a lot of image for us. So you can choose whatever you want, and then you can go over here where you see this download button, download in full size. Okay, you can click over here and then you download this image which you like. Okay, so give this thing a try, and then let me know down below the comment section what stood out for you in this video, and then I will see you in the next video. Peace, guys.